Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today, the crew and I are here working on a property in La Habra, also known as La Habra Heights. And for those who don't know, it's surrounded by Whittier, La Mirada, Fullerton, uh, Yorba Linda, and Brea. Those are the neighboring cities. And today we have a special guest. His name is Michael. Michael, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good. Welcome to social media.
Thank you.
So Michael here, he's gonna break down the process and what the boys are doing today. Go ahead, I'll let you take over, Michael.
Okay, so what we got here, this is a 1928 original house. We are going to reframe the entire structure to
Okay.
meet current 2023 standards.
Okay,
We're going to be breaking down this dirt about 3 feet, and we're going to create a front courtyard here, which will give the clients a view of the beautiful valley they have going on.
okay, and I'll give you guys a quick sweep of the view. It's a very panoramic view. Nice rural neighborhood. It's a rare find, guys. Like he said, built in 1925. Okay, go ahead, Michael.
So after we excavate this lower, we are going to excavate about maybe 20 feet off of the front of this house
Yes, sir.
to dig for our footings.
Okay,
And then we're going to create this beautiful courtyard that's going to come through here.
okay. And the audience can see this is a hillside home.
It's a hillside home, yes.
So it definitely needs some retaining walls, right?
Yes.
For
Yeah, the
weather.
retaining walls are going to hold back the earth from falling forward.
From moving, okay. And for the audience that doesn't know, what is excavation? What's the
Excavation's
process?
going to be digging, so removing all this dirt that's too high here
Okay,
and digging the trench for the foundation
okay,
and getting everything ready to pour concrete into the footing and build up our retaining walls.
Beautiful. okay, you guys got that. Okay, and then we're gonna move along over here and follow Michael, and then he's gonna explain the rest of the process.
So we have our bobcat here.
Okay,
We're going to be creating a path to actually come up here. So we have to make a ramp so that we can dig all of this down
okay,
and then backfill it all after we pour our footings and our foundations.
got you, okay. And for the audience that doesn't know what this is, it's part of the framing process.
This is the original frame.
So it's
So
existing.
this is riddled with termite damage, dry rot, years of do-it-yourselfers,
Okay.
sort of stabbing things together. You can see part of the walls falling off the foundation over there. So
Very Mickey Mouse.
very Mickey Mouse. So
Okay.
we have to literally remove all of this old existing framing, and we're building a brand new house.
So-
we're keeping the frame of the house.
So for the audience's knowledge, Michael, is it easier to build it from scratch or existing, retro? Depending on your experience, yeah.
That depends on your opinion as well.
Okay.
You know, for something like this, it was a little more cost effective
Okay.
to
Retain.
retain what we could.
Okay.
Also, it didn't start out like this. Like
Okay.
all home remodeling projects, as we started to remove the existing materials,
Yes, sir.
we found things. If you step over here,
Okay.
you can see this is completely termite damaged.
Okay,
So
guys, he's gonna
all
show
of
you
This is dry rotted,
towards the bottom
termites,
near the
you know,
foundation.
and we found things like this throughout the house.
Got you.
So
Okay.
you get to a point where wood,
Is rotted.
wood's rotted and it needs to be repaired.
Okay.
So
So it's extremely unusable. It has to go.
extremely unusable.
Okay.
It's definitely not to current standards. We need to retrofit it to earthquake retrofitting so
Okay.
that it can actually
Be up to
not
code.
move in case of an earthquake.
Okay.
And just taking care of everything structurally.
Nice. Okay. So now he explained to you guys that little process. Can we move over here? And what else are we gonna do today? You said So-
Today is just the excavation.
excavation. Okay, and then the retaining wall. Okay. So there you guys have it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the property before we leave. We're sitting on a 1.45 acre land, La Brea Heights area, and as you can see, it's hillside. Very beautiful panoramic view, guys. Originally, the house had 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, single family home, single story home, and there's a detached garage with a studio upstairs, which is probably going to be demolished as well.
We're going to remodel that. That's going to be one of the structures that we save.
Beautiful. So there's going to be added land value to this, guys. The homeowners decided to go with Horizon because they have a great reputation, quality work, and at a reasonable price. So go ahead and reach out to Horizon Construction whenever you're ready for any construction related questions, guys. Thank you, Michael, very
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.